Hi guys, this is the second part of the lab. Now, the first part we study how to implement use the cloud, the service installing in cloud, Mosquitto installing in cloud. Now, I will show how to use the VMware, use a virtual machine to do the same thing. Okay. Here I already has. Oh, I need to disconnect about the last exercise. Is it as it? Okay. Now I'm in my local machine. Okay. In this part, I didn't explain in detail what I already explained the first exercise. Okay. I only show how to do the things using the, don't repeat the explanation about the codes, like something like that. It's my VMware. Again, it's this application that you can create a virtual machine. Virtual machine is a machine like a real, but does not accept it does not access the real hardware. It use access a virtual hardware that the virtual machine, the VMware provide. You have another one that is the virtual box. VirtualBox is nice, but I really don't like that it has a lot of problem in the Windows 11. And I prefer the VMware. It's free to use an academic part. You cannot use in commercial things. Okay. I'm not sure how to create a machine. You have a lot of tutorials in the internet, how to create an Ubuntu machine inside the VMware. Okay. I start running a virtual machine that I already created. Okay. Give me a second to start. Okay, just wait a minute. Just a moment. Okay. It's the same thing, okay? Exactly the same thing, okay? The main difference here, for the first exercise, I don't need to use my local console, okay? I can use everything here. You can open the terminal here, or you can click that, okay, here, and use the command terminal. It's the same. You open a terminal, okay? So I have the terminal one, I create a new one, and I create a new one, like you did in the first exercise, okay? And the first exercise, we need to start the Mosquitto. It's the same, sudo su. I need to type my password that you create when install the Linux, and I will go to the folder Mosquitto to be easy, to don't need to pass the complete path. I need to run Mosquitto mosquito.conf. Okay, what is wrong? Oh, it's I type wrong, no? Okay. Okay. I didn't have the problem that I had before, no? The problem to be on process running. Okay, it's everything's okay. If I have the problem, I need to type yes in Zef, pipe grab, mosquito, and find the name of the process, kill the process, and everything's okay. Okay. Now, using the Linux, I will run this exercise. I cannot remember the number. Is, oh my gosh, is see, Mosquitto soup. But first, sudo su bar my password is Mosquitto sub. I believe is minst T1. You can use S1, for example. T1 temperature. Okay, temperature, for example. Okay, I connect, and here you do the same thing. Okay, usu, the password. Okay, here is Mosquitto. Mosquitto. pub means m the message one, and means T1 temperature, the channel. Okay, I send and I receive. I send another message two. Okay, message two. This guy receives and this guy receives, the subscriber receives. Is the first step very easy, no problem, no nothing, like exactly like the same, using different operating system. Okay, I close this one. I close it's just already closed. Now you need to run the another exercise. I don't know if I have the partition here. Yes, I have. Just a wait moment. Okay. I can close this one. No, I don't use anymore. The partition put here. I already have some work here. Oh, I don't have the project here. It's good. Okay, give me a second to see if I have all the projects. Oh, I don't have. I need to copy. Okay. To copy, you need to go to the GitHub. Give me a second. Oh, create a new project here while. Okay, create a new project. I will put the name of the project is Mqtt the basic. Okay. Here I use a different approach. I use the VMWare. Okay, that you use the basic Python. Okay, and create my project. Okay. After create my project, I need to wait the index of project. Just a moment. Oh, sorry. Okay. Here in the terminal, okay, remember you need to install the Mqtt and Paho and Mqtt. Okay, it's already installed. Okay, now you can create. First, you create a new file. Okay, a Python file which name is Mqtt, the first subscriber. Okay, enter. My gosh. Okay, I will create. I wrong. I delete and create again. Okay. Again, click here, new Python file, Mqtt subscriber. Okay. Okay. Now it's correct. You can go to the GitHub, copy the file. I have the file here in my other computer. A good thing that you have here that you can copy in the Windows and save here. Okay, it's a nice thing. Okay, the only thing that you need to check in the Python is that is the code is correct indented. Okay, I believe yes. So again, you need to define. Remember, then our file, the first exercise is mosquitto.conf. And oh, I type it wrong. Mosquitto XQM. Again, I type with M. I have a problem. Okay, now it's correct. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's the file. The exercise asks you to allow anonymous and define the log destination as the out. Okay, it's the two things that you need to do in the first exercise. Okay, now you need to run this file. Okay, etc. Mosquitto and -c mosquitto.conf -v. Okay, it's already running. It's run the port in 183, and the pub subscribe you need to define 183. It does not support authentication, and you need to comment this line and this line. The rest of the code is exactly the same. Okay, we run, you save first, and we run this file here, and it is subscribe. Okay, just to wait. Oh my gosh, a lot of errors. What is wrong? Oh, it's wrong because the address, I run the machine in my local address, no? Okay, local host. Okay, now, again. Okay, now it's correct. Connected to MQTT program. Okay, it's completely correct. Now, we start the same way. You create a new Python file. Is this MQTT subscriber. Okay. Oh, publish new Python MQTT publish. Okay. It's the same. I will copy in the Windows the code and type here. The only thing that I need to check is the same code that you used before. I'll just remember to use localhost here. And okay, and it's all. You don't need to do nothing more. And only need to run, right button, run, and everything worked. Yeah. Okay, everything's working. Okay, nothing changed. Okay, it's the same thing. The only thing that you change is to localhost here. Okay, we stop the process, stop all the process, stop this one. And the next exercise, you run the broker. Remember then the published broker is the local Mosquitto that run the 183. I will open the file here. It's local, just a moment, ls. Oh, I don't have the local Mosquitto here. Oh, I need to create this one. Okay, so no problem. I copy Mosquitto to local mosquitto.conf. I believe this one. Okay, VIM. I already, okay, after okay, VIM local mosquitto.conf. Okay, in this file, you need to do some steps. Okay, I will do here. I move to my other, oh no, I keep it here. Okay, our file needs to be like, not this one, is this one. Okay, I increase here to be just okay. Here you need to do. Okay, the first one is allow anonymous true. I move to my other computer. Okay, I believe it is to see. I explain here. The first one, allow anonymous true. Okay, is the first thing. The next one, you need to set explicitly the port. Port 183. Okay, the other part is connect. Okay, you need to define a connect string, connection name string. Okay, and in this connection name string, you need to put the name. Okay, oh my gosh, connection local to remote. Okay. Oops, I typed wrong. Remote. Okay. I say my word. How do it? Ask shift equal shift 2 points W. Okay, W. Okay. I want to continue to type. Ask shift I, and you change to insert here. You are ready to type. Okay. So you need to define the type of grid. In our case, you can define only, oops, the first one, top, hash, both 0. It's enough, okay? And you need to define the central broker address. In our example, the central broker run address localhost 1884. Okay, remember that you run everything in the same machine. Okay, so you need to set remember that the central broker we need to run in 1884, and you need to authenticate the users. Okay, so remote username bridge 1 and remote password. I put the password bridge 1, 2, 3. Okay, to be easy. Okay, I delete some lines and so on. H or W to write, and key to save, and exclamation to subscribe. Okay, my local Mosquitto is done. Now I will create the central broker. Okay, copy Mosquitto, make a copy of mosquitto.conf to the central mosquitto.conf. Okay, everything is correct. Yes, VIM central mosquitto.conf. Okay, in our case, allows mosquitoes anonymous is false. I want to authenticate. Okay, it's the first change that you need to do. The another one is to define the port. The port is 1884. It's not 1883. And you need to define the password file, the place where you get you validate your user and password that the remote nodes you try to validate. Okay, password file etc mosquitto and password. Okay, it's the 3 files that you need to adjust in this file. Allow anonymous files, port 184, and the password file dash etc dash mosquitto dash password. Okay, only these things that you need to change. W to write, key to quit, and exclamation if you need to subscribe. Okay. Okay, just make a double check with if I don't no mistake. Okay, everything's okay, save. Now you start the central broker first and after the local broker. Okay, to start Mosquitto minus C Mosquitto, central mosquitto.conf minus V. Okay, oh, you have a problem. I missed to create the password file. How to create the password file? You need to create at least 2 accounts. Okay, the first account is the S1. Okay, so how to do it? You run the another commands. The name is mosquitto password. Okay, minus C, the name of the file where you save the password. Okay, I'll just see. Okay, the password. And the last information is the name of the user. Okay, and asking for the passwords is S1 123. Okay, S1 123. Okay, and you do the same thing to the bridge. The bridge 1, no? I cannot remember. Give me a second. I check in the local Mosquitto. Is the bridge 1? The bridge 1 2 3. Okay. Okay, run the same command. The bridge 1. Okay, is the bridge 1 2 3. Bridge. Oh my gosh. Bridge 1 2 3. Okay. Oh, I need to run again. Bridge 1 2 3. And bridge 1 2 3. Oh my gosh. Bridge 1 2 3. And bridge 1 2 3. My gosh. Okay, I try again. Bridge. Oh my gosh. Bridge 1 2 3. Bridge 1, 2, 3. Okay, now yes, I can. I solve the problem. Okay, I create in the password file, I missing the name of I need to do again. Okay, I put the incorrect name. It's bridge. Okay, I increase here. The bridge. Okay, I need to put it again. Bridge, 1, 2, 3. And bridge, 1, 2, 3. Ah, my gosh. Bridge, 1, 2, 3. Bridge, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, to see that you create these 3 passwords, you see the file password. Okay. This file has the same problem that I was suffering before. Oh, sorry, guys. I missed one information, very important information. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I remove and password. Okay, I remove the file and create again. The question is, when you use the C, -C, you subscribe the file. You create a new file, okay? You can use in the first time to assure that if you already has a bridge one, it's the first time you delete the file and create a new one. It's the thing that you do, okay? Mosquitto password -C, etc. Mosquitto password bridge one, and then create the password bridge 1, 2, 3, and bridge 1, 2, 3. Okay, and to create a new account, you cannot subscribe. You need to delete the C and create, for example, S1. Okay, S1 1, 2, 3, S1 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you see the Mosquitto password, you see that you have 2 lines, the bridge 1 and the S1. Oh, why you have I put bridge 1, 1, 2, 3. The bridge 1, 2, 3, no? It's the reason is because it is a hash. It's not, you create a hash of the file. The hash is a mathematical function that change the file and create a big file that is not possible to, if I change one bit in the original file, you generate a new hash. Okay, it's a crypto function to protect the secret. For example, it's very hard to if it is hash, you generate again the password. Okay. Remember, to create the first file, the first line, you use -C. The next one, you don't use -C. Okay, it's very important. Oops. Okay, now you can run the Mosquitto. Okay, the first one, you need to run this subscribe. Okay, Mosquitto, the central local, no? -C, central, -V. Okay, now you can see that you run everything's correct because you can read the password file. And here you run the Mosquitto, the local server, no, the local, the Mosquitto local. Oh my God. I'm in the wrong place. Okay, cdhc Mosquitto. Okay, Mosquitto -C, local mosquitto.conf -v. Okay, like the other, this guy connected this one. Now you need to run the clients. The first one is the subscriber. If you see the picture, okay, of the hour exercise, The subscribe connect in the central local need to be authenticated. Okay, so the first one, the subscribe, the port is 184. Okay, and you need to enable the authentication. Okay, just remember that you change the passwords S1, 1, 2, 3, not this big string. Okay, and you need to uncomment this line 2. Okay, save and start the subscriber. Oh my gosh, maybe no, I put wrong the password. Okay, the question is this one, S1, it's S1, 1, 2, 3. It's not S1, 2, 3. Okay, I changed the password, my client's words. And the publish, you don't need to put the client's username because you don't need to connect directly. Okay, you just don't need to run. Okay, here you have the publish, the things published, the reply, and the subscriber received the message. Okay, like we defined in our exercise. Okay, just remember, if you have for example, I will stop the subscriber. Okay, I stop only the subscriber. Okay, if you receive a message like that, you see, I changed the password. If you receive a message like 5, return code D5, it's because the password is wrong. You fix the password, put the password correctly, and first stop the subscriber, and put the correct password, you try again, and you can see that the problem is fixed. Okay, guys, it's not hard again. The worst part is to learning how to use the Linux. Okay, but when you fix this problem in the Linux, the things happens like a magic. Okay, I need to publish. The only thing that I need to publish is the last exercise about the how to use the Windows. You don't use Windows, but you use Linux. You don't use Linux. You run everything in the Windows machine. Okay? Thank you very much, and see you soon.